Guess what? Look. Subscriber came
Yeah, look.
to the barbecue. Look.
With the t-shirt.
Special t-shirt. Subscriber came to the barbecue and she
Yes.
bought her husband.
Yes.
She bought her husband.
Oh,
Yes, right. Subscribers. Shout out to
Thank you
myself.
for having me.
No problem, man. Don't worry. I hope you enjoy. Yes, folks. So we're gonna start up with some potato today. Yeah, already prepped. Some baby potato, mixed baby potato. You know. We're gonna add some garlic. Gonna press some garlic in there. What a beautiful day. Look at this beautiful by the lake. Cooking, boats are going by, people are swimming. What else can you ask for? Lucian in the kitchen and we are outdoor, yeah? Yeah, we'll add some garlic. Mix up our garlic. Some black pepper. We're on the side of the lake, so we don't have everything, you know. We broke with what we got. Black pepper. Look, we're gonna add some Cajun seasoning. Tajin, sorry, Tajin. More Tajin, more Tajin. Yeah, I don't really want to put no salt in it, so some oil. Mix that up, and we're gonna add some orange juice. Again, first time doing this recipe. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Overkill, I'm gonna use a smaller one. All my ingredients. Garlic, I hate using the cheap phone so much. Did you give me a thumbs up yet? Did you give me a thumbs up? Did you join thumbs up gang yet? No, you didn't give me a thumbs up. Right here, boy. Just lay it right in there. Now we're gonna go for hair, so stay tuned, yeah? Yes, guys, so if you watch the prep video, you would see me doing the kidney. Look, remember the kidney I seasoned, marinated? Marinated for days. Time for the show. You're supposed to soak your bamboo in water, but oh well, I forgot. So I'm wetting it right now. So, kidney, bamboo skewers. Just thread it in. Pretty simple. Put as many pieces as you can fit, or if you want to put 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces like me, put 2 pieces. Look, boom. Did you join the thumbs up gang? Do you give me a thumbs up? Come on, give me a thumbs up. 1 thumbs up. Boom. Sounds a bit loose on the side. Okay, gotta do over. That's better. Boom. Lucian in the kitchen. We are outdoors. We are not camping. We are done camping for the weekend. We are at the beach right now, so sorry. I know I promised camping videos, but I was having too much fun camping. It's like a vacation, you know. I didn't want to work, but today I go with some work, you know. Yeah, guys, we ready. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! What else can you ask for, man? At the lake, chilling, grilling, cooking. Fire's ready. So, my kidney goes on the grill. I'll make sure it doesn't stick. You touch it, you know, give it a little dab. Yeah, folks, grilled kidney. Gotta hang the stick out a bit so it doesn't burn. Okay? And I'm just gonna cover it for a little bit, okay? Grilled kidney. Lucian in the kitchen. Now watch this. I made a soup earlier. I made a soup and I didn't record, so come I'll show you guys what I did. I made grilled squash. Yeah, I smoked the squash. I put it on the fire pit, you know, grill the squash, you know, with some grilled squash, spinach, carrots, peppers, onions. What else did I put in there? Oh, and salted pig snout. Remember the video I showed the prep with the pig snout hanging in the balcony drying? Salted pig snout. Come see it. Where's my spoon? Where's my spoon? I got it right here. I got it right here. Can I get a thumbs up for the nice spoon? Give the spoon a thumbs up. Not me, a thumbs up for the spoon. I kid. But come see. Look at that. Nice and rich. Look. Pork snout, squash, spinach, you know, some peppers, some onions. Look, green peppers. Yeah, man. Pork snout. Soup. Look at that. Look how rich that is. We got carrot. See the squash? Yeah, man. I already made it. Look, snout. If you want to see how I made this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll make the video another time. Stay tuned, yeah? Squash. So you see, I'm feeding my subscribers today soup, kidney, you know, kidney. Let me just flip it while I'm here. You always gotta keep flipping the kidney to get an even cook all around. You know, look. Potatoes. Woo! Potato is hot. You wanna see the potato? Look. I give you a peek at the potato. There's a little peek at the potatoes. See that? Beautiful potatoes. I got more to do, okay? Stay tuned. Chicken. Okay? Yes, guys, so I promised I would make a chicken video, so oops. I promised I'd make a chicken video, so here we go. Everybody knows how to clean chicken and season chicken, so chicken. Don't mind that chicken there. You see, I don't cook chicken so much. The chicken doesn't really want me to cook it. Got some chicken thighs with the drumstick. Let that do its thing, yeah? Yes, folks, look. Kidney is grilling. This one's almost done. This is fresh batch. Yeah, look. Almost done. We don't want it too dry, so. See? We're gonna put some barbecue sauce on it in a minute, right? But we'll come back to this in a while. See where we are. See, our chicken is grilling, but we're here for the potatoes. So now, we're gonna add some string beans in there. Vegetables, you know? We need some veggies in our lives. Okay, our string beans are in. Now, back to this. Time to garnish now. I don't have a barbecue brush, so I'm gonna have to use a spoon. Special sauce. We forgot to bring a brush. Special sauce guys, special sauce. If you want to know what this sauce is, comment below, we might tell you. I'm just gonna give this one the sauce now. We're gonna try two different ways, okay? Almost cooked with sauce and new on the grill with sauce. See, Lucian by the beach, Lucian by the lake. Okay, I'm gonna let that soak in for a bit and then I'm gonna flip it over, I'm gonna put this in, yeah? Stay tuned. Yes folks, as you can see, grilled chicken, kidney, our potato, string beans, we got some avocado and some grilled sweet potato, you know?
Take off your plate.
Boom. And squash soup. Stay tuned, man. Yes, folks. Please subscribe. There you go. I need a spoon. There you go, ma'am. There's your soup, ma'am. I'm gonna go get your food for you, sir. I will be back. There you go, sir. Bon appetit.
Thank you, Asha.
There you go. I will get a glass. Would you like the wine or the champagne?
The wine.
Champagne.
I guess you're drinking both.
Oh.
Thanks to Lucian. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks to Lucian in the kitchen for all this wonderful meal.
Yes.
Thank you very much.